The Atlas V2 is a universal fit that works with multiple styles of motorhomes. To prevent any accidental lockout situations, be sure to leave one of your windows open and unlocked during the install. The first step in your installation is determining your configuration style. To locate the calibration nut, look on the inside of your door. It may be covered by a vinyl sticker or a plug. If you don't have a calibration nut, you'll want to skip ahead in the video. Turn the manual deadbolt switch to a 12 o'clock position. Make sure that the deadbolt rod is visible and aligned with the swap window when viewing from the top of your handle. Remove all 3 screws from the interior plate with a screwdriver. Be sure not to use a power tool to avoid stripping out the screws. Locate hardware packet A. Here you will find the multi-fit adapter components. Carefully slide the ball end of the deadbolt rod out of its socket. Be careful not to remove the opposite end of the rod. Slide the short deadbolt out of its position and slide in the long deadbolt found in the hardware packet. Secure by locking the deadbolt rod into the socket. Gently push the deadbolt until the rod is no longer aligned to avoid the rod from falling out. Insert the calibration rod assembly into the latch arm located on the interior portion of your handle. Secure using the included black screw. Remove the calibration nut from the rod and set it to the side to be reinstalled later in the process. Now it's time to install your new handle. We recommend having another person to assist you if possible. Do not close your door. You will be locked out if you close your door before it's properly calibrated. Attach the interior portion of the handle while threading the calibration rod through the hole on the side of your door. Loosely fasten the calibration nut 2 to 3 turns. Let the interior portion hang down while installing the exterior portion. Ensure that the deadbolt is aligned with the cutout in the strike side of your door. Connect the interior wires to the exterior portion.
Welcome to RVLock.
Loosely secure the handle with the 3 interior portion screws. Do not use a power tool. Align the handle with the door cutout and ensure that the deadbolt is centered with the cutout in the strike side of your door. Cycle the deadbolt 1 to 2 times to ensure it's properly mated with the exterior portion. Once aligned, finish tightening the 3 screws evenly on the interior portion. Avoid over-tightening as this can cause your handle to malfunction. Again, do not close your door until this step is complete or you will be locked out. Let's calibrate your handle. With the door open, manually close the latch mechanism. Reset and test the handle sensitivity and latch mechanism by operating both the interior handle and the exterior paddle. Adjust the calibration nut 1 full turn clockwise as needed in between tests. Both the interior handle and the exterior paddle should actuate the latch mechanism to release the door if it's calibrated properly. After confirming both the back and the front are correctly calibrated, we recommend tightening the calibration nut 1 to 2 additional turns for increased sensitivity. Once your handle is properly calibrated, skip ahead to the programming section of this video. Let's install configuration B. To review, it's for those of you who do not have a calibration nut and your handle is going to be a lot closer to the side of the door. To prevent accidental lockout, make sure to leave a window or an auxiliary door open. Let's begin by removing your stock handle. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws in the back. We recommend not using a power driver to prevent stripping the screws. The good news with your configuration B style is that your handle is ready to be installed directly out of the box. Insert the exterior portion of your RVLock. Ensure that the deadbolt is aligned with the cutout in the strike side of your door. Make sure that the post on your RVLock goes through the locating hole on the inside of your door. Be aware of any pre-installed hardware that may need to be aligned with your RVLock handle. Connect the wires from the interior to the exterior of your RVLock. Ensure that the flats of the deadbolt shaft and the deadbolt are aligned. Loosely install the 3 screws to the interior portion of your handle. Do not use a power tool. Test the interior portion 1 to 2 times to ensure that it is properly mated with the exterior portion. Once aligned, finish tightening the 3 screws evenly. Avoid over-tightening to prevent the handle from malfunctioning. We are now going to program your Atlas handle. To program your keypad, using a small tool, hold down the reset button until you hear the prompt.
Enter new code, then press lock.
Once you hear the prompt, enter in your new code and press lock.
Enter new code, then press lock.
Then enter your new code again and press lock.
New code accepted.
Once completed, you should receive a confirmation tone. To program your fob remote, take your small tool and press and release the learn button on the interior portion of your handle.
Connect your remote.
Press and release the lock button on your chosen set of buttons. You should then hear a confirmation tone
Remote connected.
to confirm that the handle has paired with your remote. If you'd like to connect the second set of buttons, repeat this process. Our easy unlock feature allows you to simply type in your code and your handle will unlock. No need to press the lion lock button after the last number is entered. To lock your handle, hold the lion lock button. This will lock your handle with one quick press. Great work! You got everything installed and programmed. Feel free to reach out to our support team if you have any other questions. We're excited to see you on the road.